How to fade to black and white. To begin, I added a video to my timeline that I want to animate to black and white. Right-click in your project panel and select New Item, Adjustment Layer. The default settings should match your sequence. Click OK. Now drag Adjustment Layer above your clips and timeline, and change its length to match the duration of black and white effect that you want. Then go to Effects panel and search for Lumetri Color. Drag and drop Lumetri Color effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls and under Lumetri Color, and expand the Creative section. Now place the playhead at the start, and click on Stopwatch next to Saturation to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set saturation to around 0, to create the second keyframe. Now we have this nice fade to black and white effect, and it's time to create fade to original color effect. Move the playhead to where you want to start fading back to color, and click on this circle button to create a keyframe with current value. Then move the playhead to where you want your video to be completely colored and click on this button to reset the saturation value. To smoothen the effect, select the two first keyframes, right-click on one of them, and select Ease In. Next, select the two last keyframes, right-click on one of them and select Ease Out. Now our effect is much smoother. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.